Hello and welcome. My name is Harris Waddles with Amba Products. Today we are doing a collection overview of our Jeeves collection of heated towel racks. Manufactured in South Africa using 304 stainless steel, our Jeeves collection has a classic and timeless design. Stocked in 13 different sizes and 5 different finishes. Polished stainless steel shown here, brushed stainless steel, Aura bronze, matte black, and white. Our Jeeves collection is a hardwired connection. As you can see, there are no visible cords or plugs, making for a clean installation. There is no integrated switch on our Jeeves towel warmers. This leaves you the option of choosing whether you want a basic on-off switch or a 7-day, 24-hour programmable timer, or any type of Wi-Fi smart switch or smart home automation. As far as where those switches are located, many people choose to also order our Jeeves double gang plate. The double gang plate would replace the single cover plate and allow you to locate that switch or timer right next to the towel warmer itself, depending on which orientation you prefer. Alternatively, you can locate the switch away from the unit in a more convenient location based upon your bathroom setup. Our Jeeves collection is driven by a liquid-filled heating technology. There is a glycol water solution inside the towel warmer with a heating element located at the bottom right vertical bar. The heating element inside the unit heats the liquid, which in turn heats all of the vertical and horizontal bars. The benefit to this heating technology is the heating element is the only working component, and should it stop working, that heating element can be replaced. It takes 5 or 10 minutes, very simple, and the unit is as good as new. It is possible to move the electrical connection from the lower right to the lower left side if that is better for your installation. This would need to be specified at the time of ordering. The Jeeves heated towel racks are designed to be used not only in bathrooms, but they can also be used in laundry rooms, mudrooms or wet rooms, pool houses, and many other locations. For wet rooms or other high moisture areas, our Jeeves wet rated kit add-on allows for safe and secure installation. This adds coverage for NEC zones 1 and 2, allowing better flexibility with installation locations. In a bathroom, most people will use it to hang a couple towels on the horizontal bars, and then you can place bathrobes, washcloths, hair towels, etc. from these vertical bars. Our vertical bars also heat up, so these bathrobes or whatever is hung from these vertical bars will dry out as well as warm up. Anything that you cannot put in a tumble dryer, denim jeans, cashmere sweaters, silk blouses, delicate undergarments, can all be dried on a towel warmer. Take a towel, place it over the unit itself, and then you can drape some of those more delicate garments over the towel so it is not in direct contact. Heated towel racks do more than just warm your towels. A recent 7-day study found that towels dried on our heated racks experienced a 99% reduction in bacterial growth, keeping them fresher for longer and cutting down on laundry days. Looking for a particular size? We offer special order sizes for several of our Jeeves collection models, featuring both narrower and wider versions to fit any project. Unlike our stocked models, these do carry a longer lead time. Thank you for joining us for this look into our